Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to my house, to my Christmas tree. I thought we could read a story together today. This one's called Santa's New Suit. The author of this story is Laura Rader. That means that she wrote the story. It doesn't tell me an illustrator, so do you know what that means? It means that she is also the illustrator. And what do illustrators do? I'll give you a clue. You do it with Mrs. Means every week in art class. Illustrators draw the pictures. That's right. Good job. Santa's new suit. Look at him trying on all those different new suits. I like the candy cane there. Santa's New Suit by Laura Rader. It was the week before Christmas. Santa looked in his closet. All he could see was red. Sorry, that's my dog. Nala, I'm reading a book to the kids. Please don't bark. Sorry, friends. All he could see was red. Lots of red suits. That is a whole closet full of red, isn't it? He tried one suit on. It had a tear in it. Oh, dear. He tried on another. Rip. Uh-oh, it ripped when he was trying to put it on. A third was covered in soot stains. Do you know what soot stains are? He gets soot on himself when he goes down the chimney. That's these dark things here. His hats didn't look so good either. Oh, very dirty. What a mess. Mrs. Claus was in the living room. I need a change, said Santa. Tomorrow, I'm going to buy a new suit. Oh my, said Mrs. Claus. I don't know that she thought that was a good idea. The next day, Santa strolled into town to buy his new suit. Everyone knew him. Everyone was happy to see him. Boys and girls, I want to pause for just a minute and ask you, who are the two main characters that this story is about so far? Whoopsie. Santa, right? And we also know who else is in the story. Mrs. Claus. Very good. Those are our main characters. First, Santa went to Nip and Tuck's. Too snooty. Then to New Wave. Awesome. Awful. Betty Bye was the next stop. Sorry. I think those are just PJs, aren't they? Costumania had more suits than Santa had ever seen. I don't think so. Yahoo! P.U. Then Santa saw the suit. Oh, he found one he likes. Santa tried on the outfit. It was just what he wanted. It has a cap to match, said the salesman. I'll take it, said Santa. Santa wore his new suit home. How do you like my new suit? He asked. Oh my, said Mrs. Claus. I knew you'd like it, said Santa. Boys and girls, look at Mrs. Claus. How is she feeling right now? Is she liking the outfit that he's wearing? What about the dog and the cat? I don't even think they recognize him. Santa went out to show the elves. What do you think, fellas? He said. Oh, oh. The comments were not flattering. Yikes! Whoa! Ugh! Yow! Egad, sir! That's not Santa. The reindeer did not have a lot of nice things to say either. Who is it? He says he's Santa. Oh, please. It is Santa. He's wearing funny pajamas. They're cute. They're bright. It's a joke. So now we have some more characters who joined our story in the last page. Ooh, sorry. Oh, the elves, right? And now we have the reindeer. But still our main character is Santa. The next morning, Santa went to Glutz's department store to hear what the children wanted for Christmas. This mom is saying, "What's going on here?" "Who's that?" His visit did not go well. They don't know that it's him, boys and girls. When Santa got home, he sank down into his favorite chair. "No one likes my new suit," said Santa sadly. "Not even a little." Mrs. Claus brought Santa some milk and cookies. She did not say anything. She gave him a photo album. I wonder what he's going to look at in the photo album. Santa and Mrs. Claus looked at the photographs. So many happy memories. So many happy faces. In every picture, Santa was wearing his red suit. Santa closed the album. He smiled at Mrs. Claus. "I have to tell the elves and reindeer something," he said. I wonder what he's decided to tell the elves and the reindeer. I wonder if Mrs. Claus is helping him change his mind. "I'm going to wear my red suit on Christmas Eve," he told the elves. "I'm going to wear my red suit on Christmas Eve," he told the reindeer. Yahoo! Hooray! Oh, how are the elves and the reindeer feeling right now? They're much happier, aren't they? Maybe even a little relieved that he's not going to wear that other suit. When Christmas Eve came, Santa looked in his closet. There was a brand new suit and a brand new cap to match. That looks like Santa, doesn't it? I bet Mrs. Claus had something to do with that. It was clean. Oh, it had no holes. No holes! Fits well. It was just the right size. And it's my favorite color. It was red. It was Santa's new suit, and Santa loved it. I like this page. This is, they're on vacation now, and let me read to you what the postcard says. January 3rd, so this is after Christmas now, right? If we're in January. To the elves, reindeer, and dog and cat. Hi everyone, Mrs. Claus and I are having a wonderful time. Wish all of you could be here. Thank you for all the hard work at Christmas time. See you soon. Love to all, XXOOXX. That means hugs and kisses. Santa and Mrs. Claus. P.S. Thank you, elves, for the very special bathing suits. Look what the elves did to his old suit. They turned it into bathing suits. What a cool idea. There's the candy cane colors again. That's a silly suit for Santa. All right, boys and girls, we talked about the author and the illustrator. Their jobs: author, write the story. Illustrator draws these pictures. We talked about the important characters. The most important character was Santa. He was our very main character. But Mrs. Claus was also pretty important too. And the elves and reindeer. Very good. Where was the setting of our story? Where does Santa live? It was in the North Pole. A lot of times we were at Santa's house. Then sometimes he was at the store. And he went to the mall. But most of the time he was at his house. Let's think about what happened at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. What happened at the beginning, boys and girls? He went to his closet to try on his suit, and none of them worked, right? Old, dirty, holes, they didn't fit. Lots of things were going on. He needed a new suit. So at the beginning of the story, Santa realized he needed a new suit. In the middle of the story, he went shopping for the new suit. He found one. Did anybody like it? Nope, Mrs. Claus didn't like it. The elves and the reindeer didn't like it. Nobody liked his new suit. At the end of the story, what did he decide? He was going to wear his regular suit again, and Mrs. Claus made it for him. There he goes to deliver the gifts in his regular Santa suit, so everyone will recognize him. I hope you enjoyed this story today, boys and girls. I had fun reading it to you. See you later, alligators.